Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Dent coin. What's the current price of the Dent coin? What's the price that is occurring in the Dent coin? In this video I will show you friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request all of you that please subscribe ABS Tech channel and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos friends. If we look the currently price of the Dent in the market, so the latest price in the current price of the Dent as 0.004491 USD dollar is the current price of the Dent coin. And on the other side, if you look the price change is okay in the Dent coin, so the last 1 hour and the last 1 week price change is going negative. Only and only the last 1 day price change is positive friends, except after the last 1 day the previous change is occurring the Dent coin is going negative friends. Absolutely, I'm really shocked to see, but I hope that the last 1 hour pricing is for a short time, and after some period of time, the prices will become again positive, friends. Oh my goodness! Same like that, of course, as I told you, friends, that the last 1 hour pricing is for temporary. Let me zoom it to understand. You can see here in the last 1 hour, they again start moving upwards, so that's mean that the Dent coin is only and only goes to the moon. And now the jumping time of the Dent coin or start now. It's time to only and only celebrate. It's a celebration time, my friends. Let's see, you can see here that is the last warning price chart. And in the start of this yesterday, the Dent coin is start moving upward, and in the middle they fall down for a little time, but again take a jump, fall down, and again take a jump. So now I think that the average change is okay in the Dent coin. You can see here the 24 hours, the last Monday price change as positive 14%. So absolutely I really happy to see positive 14% price changes okay in the Dent coin. Oh my god, that's a good. And 0.004779 USD dollar is the highest price of the Dent coin. That is the highest price in the last 24 hours. So what do you think? What's your prediction about Dent coin? My prediction is 100% positive, and I believe that there is a big jumps coming soon in the Dent coin, and Dent coin gave us a good amount of profit in the last of this month, friends. What do you think? My prediction is positive. Please also share your prediction and opinion in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.